Have you ever felt your stomach burning, bloated, or uncomfortable after a meal? What if I told you that one simple fruit, the humble banana, can bring peace, comfort, and balance back to your stomach? Yes, sometimes the best medicine doesn't come from a pharmacy, but from nature itself. Hello friends, and welcome back to our health journey. Today we re-talking about one of the most loved and powerful fruits in the world, the banana, and how it can work wonders for your stomach health. Bananas are not just a quick snack. They're nature's gentle healer, soft, soothing, and filled with nutrients that protect, strengthen, and nourish your digestive system. So, if you often suffer from acidity, constipation, or stomach discomfort, stay with me till the end of this video, because this golden fruit might be your stomach's best friend. The first amazing thing about bananas is their natural antacid effect. They help neutralize stomach acid, reducing the burning feeling of acid reflux or heartburn. If you wake up with acidity or bloating, eating a banana in the morning can calm your stomach and coat its lining with a protective layer. It's gentle, it's soft, and it helps your stomach heal naturally. No chemicals, no side effects. Bananas are packed with dietary fiber, especially pectin, which helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. If your digestion feels slow or heavy, a banana helps push food gently through your system. It acts like a natural broom, cleaning your stomach and intestines, making you feel light, comfortable, and energetic again. Try having one ripe banana daily. Your gut will thank you. Your stomach isn't just an empty bag. It's home to billions of good bacteria that support digestion and immunity. Bananas act as a prebiotic food for those good bacteria. By feeding your gut microbiome, bananas keep your digestive system balanced, your immunity strong, and your energy levels high. So, next time you eat a banana, remember, you're also feeding the tiny helpers inside your body that keep you healthy. If you struggle with stomach ulcers or gastritis, bananas can be your gentle medicine. They contain compounds that strengthen the stomach lining and stimulate mucus production, protecting you from acidic damage. They also reduce inflammation and irritation in the digestive tract. In short, bananas soothe your stomach like cool shade on a hot day. Unlike heavy or fried foods that tire your stomach, bananas give you light and lasting energy. They contain natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which fuel your body without irritating your stomach. That's why athletes often eat bananas before or after a workout. They provide clean, energy, and protect the stomach from acidity during physical stress. If you ever feel low, weak, or hungry between meals, eat a banana. It lifts both your energy and your mood. Here are a few simple tips to get the most out of this fruit. Eat ripe bananas. They're easier to digest and more soothing. Avoid eating them on a completely empty stomach. If you're sensitive to acidity, pair them with a glass of water or milk.